So one of the reasons why a cannabis operator would want to hire a virtual CFO is to get to profitability. So because of the federal taxation, price compression, it's difficult to get to profitability, and scaling and growing the business is the only way to do it. And so working with the virtual CFO gives the operator, it gives our clients that visibility into what metrics they need to be looking at to be able to grow the business, such as their average transaction size and the number of transactions per day, the type of overhead structure they should have in place. With our forecasting process, we help our clients get that clarity they need into their business. So there's many ways that a virtual CFO will help your company grow. It's a step-by-step process. It's a consulting relationship that's one step at a time, but we're looking for ways to help increase profitability at every level of the business. You know, one of the examples could be is that we encourage our clients to, on the retail side, develop relationships with vendors. You know, many times one of the issues that retailers come across is inventory is moving slow. Well, they don't think to simply develop relationships with the vendors and possibly ask for a discount for slow moving products. You know, brands really want their products to move off the shelves. So from a retail standpoint, you really want to develop that relationship with your vendors to make sure your product is on time and that you're not losing sales because of product availability. And so it's just one example of just many ways in how we're in tune with the retail environment, with really what's going on in the industry to be able to drive higher margins for our clients. I get this question a lot. What is it like to work with the virtual CFO? Do we meet once a month, twice a month? Usually what we do is establish what we call a meeting cadence. We have set meetings in advance with various topics. Like, we really focus on 3 things, and this may look different for every client, but one meeting may be to talk about your production metrics, sales, and then the next meeting will be to talk about pipeline, customer metrics, and then one meeting to talk about financial review, you know, your historical month and what do we need to do next month to keep improving upon the business. But there's different clients and different scenarios. It could all look different. Like currently I have a client that's going through some acquisitions, buying a couple of businesses. So we may need to meet more regularly to look at the business, to look at the acquisitions, to create a forecast, and there's special projects going on. So really depends on the client and what's really going on, but what I would really focus on when you hire virtual CFO is that the availability is there. We have a meeting cadence just to make sure that we're ahead of it, but there's always room to meet and to have an ongoing relationship in between those meetings. Our clients are looking for financial guidance, and that's what we do is we develop a relationship with our clients. We understand their business operationally, and then from there we build a forecast and determine what metrics are relevant to track on an ongoing basis to get our clients to the goals and where they want to get. If you'd like to learn more, book a consultation with us.